YouTube's new AI search feature. Smarter discovery starts now, if you're new here. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you enjoy the video, give it a like and share it with your friends. YouTube is rolling out a powerful new AI feature designed to make content discovery faster, smarter, and way more intuitive. Let's start with the AI-powered search. Now, when you search for something on YouTube, you'll see a new AI-generated carousel, a lineup of video suggestions and related topics, all based on your query. For example, if you search for best beaches in Hawaii, the AI might show you clips of top snorkeling spots, volcanic beaches, and even include short descriptions to help you plan your perfect day. This update is great news for creators too, because now a single search can connect viewers to a wider range of content. It gives your videos a better chance at being seen by people who are genuinely interested in your topic. And there's more. That same AI can also match products with relevant searches, giving brands and marketers exciting new possibilities, even though it's not being used for ads just yet. Now let us talk about YouTube's Conversational AI tool, a chatbot built right into the video interface. You'll find it under the Ask button below videos. Just tap it, and the bot will suggest questions based on the video you're watching. You can even type your own prompts to dive deeper into any topic. This tool has been around for premium users since 2023, but now it's being rolled out to some non-premium users in the US as well. So, whether you're planning a trip, researching a product, or just trying to learn something new, YouTube's AI is making it easier than ever to explore the content you care about. Thanks for watching, and if you found this update useful, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and share it. More exciting tech news is on the way.